Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I want to kind of highlight different light fixtures that are in this video. Uh, One is this grouping of illuminated reindeer. Very, very cool. They come in a pack of 3. They come with these red ribbons. They are easy to assemble because the right here, there's just like zip ties right there. They kind of hold this on from a storage standpoint. One cord comes with it. You plug it in, good to go. There's no flashing option or anything crazy like that. But they are pretty tall. This tallest one here, the male version, is right at about 5 feet tall. So you can kind of put things in perspective as far as how big that is. Very, very cool from a illumination standpoint during the holiday seasons. And then we have these lights. And so these are net lights that have obviously a lot of different colors, about 8 different color settings. This is sort of a random flash effect. You have green, red, blue, and then sort of an orangish, let's say you have like an orangish yellow effect. Pretty cool. They just have like a little button on the outlet that gets it going. And then we have these here. These are also just the white color lights, sort of a warm 2600 Kelvin, I guess, is the color. Just your typical. It actually matches the reindeer color. These are also on a inline adapter that has totally randomized. You can do random, like I have this one on random, but you can do twinkle, you can do fade, you can do strobe effect. I like this. It kind of cycles through just about all the 8 different settings. Very, very cool. And then these lights here are on the inside, and these are white lights that you can do same thing, kind of about 8 different modes, solid, the twinkle effect, which is the one that I have going on right here, flashing, different, basically very similar to this, but these I just have, as you can see here, sort of a twinkling effect, and looks pretty cool. And then over here, these, and these you can connect end to end. So this is actually 2 sets. So it's a pretty long hedge. And then over here, this is one long, about 350 feet, all kind of wound up. And there's, again, about 8 different effects. That this one actually comes with a remote control, or you can use the inline button to change it. And these are pretty cool too, but you can't connect them end to end. I think it's because it's just such a long strand, like 350 feet, and there's a light every 6 inches or so. So it's a ton of lights. And the wire on this is green. Very, very cool effect. Again, this is also sort of that twinkle effect. And hopefully that helps in your decorating for the holiday season.